Dallas police worked a serial rape investigation for nearly 20 years, and finally, working with FBI agents, they arrested a suspect on Saturday. But Christopher Michael Green was back on the streets by Sunday night. Senior crime and justice reporter Rebecca Lopez joins us live. So how did he get released so soon?
Chris, Dallas police sources tell me that they asked for a high bond and an ankle monitor if he made bond, but the jail magistrate set that bond at $25,000 and he bonded out on that lower bond. There's concern because Green is suspected in multiple rapes. Since 2005, Dallas police and the FBI have been in search of a suspect who grabbed a woman off a bus and dragged her into a field and raped her. On Saturday, 14 years later, police arrested Christopher Michael Green for aggravated sexual assault after police say they got a DNA match. According to an arrest affidavit, Green attacked his victim on July 6, 2005. She told police Green was very strong and threw her around like a rag doll. She says Green then produced a knife and slashed and stabbed her in the back, grabbed her by her hair, and began to slam her head on the ground to render her unconscious. The victim says Green held a knife to her throat, and she says she thought she was going to die. She says he then forced her to perform a sexual act. She was able to get away and flagged down a driver to help her. Police were able to get DNA after the victim went to Parkland Hospital for an exam, but the DNA didn't match anyone in databases until court records show the FBI got a hit earlier this month. It led them to Green. Police say the victim also identified Green in a photo lineup. According to court documents, his DNA matches at least 4 other cases in Dallas, but sources say he's suspected in more. After Green was arrested, Dallas police asked that he be given a high bond and if he was released to be placed on an ankle monitor. But according to court records, a jail magistrate set his bond at $25,000 and did not require an ankle monitor if he were to be released on bond. Jail records show Green bonded out 16 hours after his arrest. By law, everyone is entitled to a bond, but judges and magistrates can set high bonds or hold people without bond if they pose a significant threat to the public. In this case, both DPD and the FBI feel Green continues to pose that threat, Chris.
All right.